Welcome to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we're exploring how ChatGPT transforms business analysis, making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Understanding business analysis. Business analysis is all about identifying business needs and coming up with solutions. It involves gathering requirements, analyzing data, and communicating with stakeholders. However, traditional methods face challenges like data overload, communication gaps, and resource constraints. So how do we fix these issues? That's where AI, and more specifically, ChatGPT comes in. 2. ChatGPT's capabilities in business analysis. ChatGPT excels in data interpretation, helping analysts process large amounts of data in record time. It also shines in pattern recognition, finding trends that aren't immediately obvious. Imagine spotting patterns in data that could change the course of a project. ChatGPT makes that possible. And let's not forget scenario modeling. ChatGPT can generate different scenarios based on your data, helping you make more informed decisions. 3. Gathering and analyzing requirements. One of the toughest parts of business analysis is gathering and analyzing requirements, but ChatGPT can help streamline that. It can refine stakeholder inputs by generating targeted questions, ensuring no detail is missed. It also helps generate comprehensive requirement lists and identifies gaps early on, so there are no surprises later in the project. 4. Market analysis and competitor research. When it comes to market analysis, ChatGPT can synthesize trends and pull together data from multiple sources. This is especially useful for SWOT analyses, that's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. ChatGPT can even compare competitor strategies, giving you insights that help your business stand out in the market. 5. Process modeling and optimization. It can help create process flow diagrams and identify inefficiencies in workflows. Once these bottlenecks are spotted, ChatGPT can suggest process improvements, streamlining operations, and increasing efficiency. 6. Risk assessment and mitigation. Risk assessment can be tricky, but ChatGPT simplifies it by identifying potential business risks using historical data and trends. Not only does it highlight risks, but it also helps generate mitigation strategies, ensuring that businesses are prepared to tackle challenges before they become major issues. 7. Financial analysis and forecasting. ChatGPT is also a powerful tool for financial analysis. It assists with budget analysis, generates financial projections, and even identifies cost-saving opportunities. This can be a game changer for companies looking to optimize their resources and plan effectively for the future. 8. Stakeholder communication. Effective communication with stakeholders is crucial, and ChatGPT can assist in drafting clear and concise reports, presentation outlines, and tailored communication for different audiences. This ensures everyone is on the same page and helps to avoid misunderstandings, making project execution smoother. 9. Decision support. ChatGPT can support decision-making by providing pros and cons for different options. It suggests decision criteria and helps analyze alternatives based on your business objectives, ensuring you make well-informed choices. 10. Agile and adaptive planning. For teams using agile methodologies, ChatGPT can assist in sprint planning, generate user stories, and prioritize backlogs. This helps teams stay on track, ensuring high-priority tasks are tackled first and delivering real value to users. In conclusion, ChatGPT is transforming business analysis by making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. It excels in data interpretation, pattern recognition, and scenario modeling, helping analysts make informed decisions. ChatGPT simplifies gathering and analyzing requirements, assists in market and competitor research, and improves process modeling and optimization. It also plays a crucial role in risk assessment, financial analysis, and stakeholder communication. By providing decision support and aiding in agile planning, ChatGPT ensures businesses stay adaptive and focused on delivering value. Thank you for tuning in to TrueHost Academy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more insightful content. See you in the next video.